pattern uses elements such as lines, shapes, colors, textures, or motifs in planned or random repetitions. Planned patterns are regular, consistent, and even, and are most commonly man-made, because planned patterns repeat elements in a predictable manner. Random patterns are unpredictable and have no discernible configuration. Natural patterns happen organically in nature, such as this radial pattern of a plant starting from the inside and spiraling out. And repeated waves are also examples of natural patterns. Man-made patterns are constructed by people and are typically geometric, using uniform shapes like rectangles, squares, or forms like spheres and cubes. Organic patterns occur more spontaneously and are free-flowing in their shape. Photographers can display both in their photos, like the circles casting geometric highlights on the organic plant, or these organic flowers turned into a geometric kaleidoscope using various layers in Adobe Photoshop. Repetitions of patterns can also create a sense of rhythm or movement in a work of art. So whether it is planned or random, look for various ways to showcase different types of pattern within your own photography.